Walmart just pulled the curtain early on the Nothing Phone 3, and what's inside could change how this brand is perceived in the premium smartphone market. A leaked listing on Walmart's business portal has revealed what appears to be a top-tier model with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. This big jump from previous generations suggests that Nothing is no longer targeting just the mid-range space. Instead, it's stepping into direct competition with heavyweights like Samsung, Apple, and Google. Also listed is a slightly more modest but still powerful 12 gigabytes B RAM and 256 gigabytes B storage variant, which seems poised to strike a balance between performance and pricing. While the Walmart page mistakenly showed the image of the Nothing Phone 2 and mixed in specs from the upcoming Phone 3a, the inclusion of these new high-end configurations can't be ignored. These accidental disclosures point toward a strong push into the premium segment. Adding to that momentum is confirmed full compatibility with major US carriers, including AT&T and T-Mobile. This marks the first time a Nothing device will offer seamless 4G and 5G support across the board in the United States. Nothing has also confirmed that the Phone 3, model number A024, will be manufactured in India at its advanced facility in Chennai, marking a strategic move to strengthen its foothold in one of its most crucial markets. The company is also expanding its service network across India to ensure better after-sales support. Meanwhile, the US launch will be fully public, unlike earlier beta-only rollouts, with availability through Nothing's official website and Amazon. In Canada, the Phone 3 will be sold via Best Buy. Carl Pei, the founder of Nothing, has already teased performance improvements and the use of premium materials for this model. And leaks suggest the phone could be powered by the yet-to-be-released Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, or even the 8 Gen 4 Elite chipset. If true, this would position the Nothing Phone 3 alongside some of 2025's top Android flagships in terms of raw power and efficiency. Software enhancements are also expected. The upcoming Nothing OS update promises a cleaner, faster, and more functional experience, building on what users have already come to appreciate from the brand's minimal but effective UI approach. One of the most surprising potential shifts is on the design front. Leaked renders hint at the possible removal of the signature glyph LED system on the rear. In its place, the Phone 3 might feature a dot matrix-style display, possibly taking cues from the Asus ROG series. This change would signal a move from playful aesthetics to a more functional and informative design language. As for pricing, the base model is expected to launch at $799, while the high-end variant may reach $899. That pricing firmly positions the Nothing Phone 3 as a flagship contender, no longer just a stylish alternative, but a serious rival to the industry leaders. The release is expected to take place in mid to late July 2025, though Nothing has yet to confirm the exact date.